Imagine the thrills of Indiana Jones, the wonders of Star Trek, and the scientific punch of a National Geographic documentary all rolled into one. Well, you don't have to imagine anymore because this is the reality NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission is serving up. Prepare yourself, space cadets, because we are diving into the cosmic ocean to fish out secrets from an ancient asteroid named Bennu. And let me tell you, today is not about just any space rock. Today, we unwrap the universe layer by layer like the most elaborate gift you can think of. We'll discuss the ground-shaking data, the implications for humanity's science textbooks, and how a pinch of asteroid dust might just revolutionize our future. So, hold on tight. We are about to blast off into a realm of discovery that stretches the very fabric of what we know about our stellar neighborhood. Let's get our feet wet with what this mission is really about. Imagine a time capsule drifting in space for billions of years, holding whispers of the solar system's formation. That, my dear viewers, is Bennu, a near-Earth asteroid that has become the star of the show. The OSIRIS-REx spacecraft set off from Earth's embrace back in 2016 with a grand plan to rendezvous with Bennu, nab a piece of it, and hustle back home. Why? Because it's in these ancient rocks that we find the untold stories of our solar system's youth. As we speak, the mission is closing in on its climactic moment. The samples return to Earth in 2023. That's when we get our hands on the untouched cosmic goodies. But don't be fooled. This isn't just a grab-and-go heist. This mission aims to shed light on the origins of water and life on Earth, and who knows what else. By studying Bennu, we might just unveil secrets to utilizing asteroids for resources. So don't zone out, because every detail might give us pieces of the cosmic puzzle we have been tirelessly trying to solve. Now, hold your breath, because what OSIRIS-REx has unearthed is going to knock your space socks off. Ready for mind-bending stuff? OSIRIS-REx has been beaming back data that's got scientists doing cartwheels. We're talking about detailed snapshots of Bennu's gritty facade, a cocktail of minerals, and get this, particles spewing out from the asteroid like cosmic confetti. But wait, there's a twist. This confetti could be carrying the same material that gave a kickstart to life on Earth billions of years ago. Dive deeper, and you find a terrain holding water-bearing minerals. Think about it. Water, the liquid of life as we know it, lingering on this distant rock. These revelations get us up close and personal with the primordial ingredients that crafted our planets and possibly seeded life as we strut and fret about it. Every nugget of data is like a line in the starry saga spanning eons, and mission scientists are piecing together this narrative bit by bit, with each new finding sending ripples of excitement across the globe. And the folks who are piloting this expedition through the unknown? They're artists and geniuses, the maestros conducting the symphony of science that soon may redefine the cosmos' very laws. Their insights pave new roads into untrodden domains of knowledge. This isn't just space talk, it's the lineage of the universe, and we're hot on the trail, folks. But the wizardry isn't just in the discoveries, it's in the spacecraft itself. Meet the magician behind the tricks, the spacecraft's tag maneuver. That's touch and go for those not versed in space lingo. Picture this. A cosmic ballet where a spacecraft dances with an asteroid millions of miles away to gently kiss its surface and in that brief embrace, steal a token of their encounter to bring back to Earth. Now, if that's not engineering magic, I don't know what is. And it's not just the tag maneuver that deserves applause. The scientific instruments aboard OSIRIS-REx are like the finely tuned instruments of an orchestra, each playing its vital part in deciphering Bennu's enigmas. This high-tech toolkit is not just for show. It's the cornerstone of a mission that could define our next leaps into the final frontier. Imagine the possibilities of future missions armed with this kind of tech. The days when asteroids may no longer be just rocks but stepping stones to the wider universe or shields against cosmic threats. But let's zoom in on the real star of the show, the samples. These are not just rocks and dust. They're the silhouettes of the primordial cosmos, the very matter from which all planets and, yes, even life as we know it, may have sprung. They could hold the secrets to the Earth's infancy, the molecular memoirs of our earliest days, or the answers to whether we are alone in the universe. Believe me, the countdown to these samples hitting our labs is more nerve-wracking than any New Year's Eve you've ever experienced. The clock's ticking down, and soon those space treasure chests called samples will be knocking on Earth's door. Here's the kicker, though. These aren't just any samples. They're a pristine snapshot of the early solar system, almost like they've been waiting for us to uncover them. The anticipation is palpable as scientists across the globe wait to pop the lid off these extraterrestrial time capsules. Questions buzz like a beehive in the scientific community. What organics might they find? Could there be clues about Earth's baby steps? The possibilities are enough to make your head spin. So, as OSIRIS-REx speed dates its way back to Earth, with a pocket full of asteroid goodies, the excitement is less about the homecoming party and more about the stories those particles are itching to spill. Stories that could carve out a whole new chapter in human understanding, rewriting textbooks and setting stages for future exploits among the stars. Engaging with space like never before. As we orbit back towards the tail end of our cosmic tale, let's not forget the people. I'm talking about all of us, Earthlings, because NASA knows the importance of riding this journey together. Through the twists and turns of the mission, the keen minds at NASA haven't just been busy with telescopes and trajectories. They've been forging bridges between space and society. Education programs? Check. Social media doling out interstellar updates? Check. What we're witnessing is the ushering in of a new era where space becomes a common language for the young, the old, the dreamers and doers. This connection stirs up a stew of inspiration that could well be the breeding ground for the legends to be in science and exploration.